this is how to get oh crap, my arm hurts. And it's the arm that I play with. What the heck? I'll upload those every day, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. So this is how to get the jacket I'm wearing right now. And oh my god, that looks weird. Let me see, did I unlock any? Can I unlock anything? No. Let's see. This is how to get the jacket I'm wearing, and also that jacket, this jacket, but this one. So this is how to get that. I know I'm British or something. That line. Ow, my arm. I'm using my Okay, I look at the school uniform thing, and I'm like, okay, I recognize something out of that. But I don't know what. Seems familiar. Okay, now that looks familiar. Let's see. So to do this, you need to press prog, go to promo.exe, then type in these promo codes. Type in Happy Holly. Oh my god, load in game.
Up on a roof.
Days. Okay, well, not found.
People need to stop shooting at me with an RPG, bro.
Bro, what's your problem? I just wanted to hit a 360 no scope.
I'm in Code RX every single day, by the way. Let's see. It should give you it or something, and then promo code, either Happy Holidays or something like that. So, yeah. Then the next one is Rizzy Drip 200. Hold on, wait. Rizzy Drip 200K. That is Rizzy Drip 200,000. So enter that, and then already redeemed. And then the next one is play with devs. That already redeemed. Now let's see if this one thing will work. So one. Okay. And then invalid code. Well, that won't work. That won't work or something. This is the thing that I want the most. The cat. I don't know why. I don't know what that is. Yeah, that looks familiar, but not that familiar. Let's see. Leprechaun outfit. Ooh, I'm not sure. Just kidding. And then that is how to get those two jackets. So yeah. No, wait. Oh my god, I almost fell off my headset. Jesus Christ. Okay.